This course is about Ayurveda, which will help you to understand better your nutrition based on your body type, based on your current constitution and what's currently going on with your body, and actually as well the kind of energy that you want to bring up in your life.
Wow, I've just finished the Sensory Alchemy course. I've always had difficulties with bloating, and now, thanks to Kamana's inspiring and passionate teachings, I'm able to listen to myself using my senses and know what triggers my bloating. And I'm so grateful. Thank you, Kamana. Thank you, Krishna Village. What an amazing experience.
I really enjoyed the course from Kimana. His knowledge, it actually went deeper than just intellectual. It was more embodied, so I can use it in everyday life.